Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today with a lineup of Metabo tools. So just recently online, we just started carrying an assortment of Metabo items. Actually, just about everything they carry, from corded to cordless to metal cutting saws to drills to grinders. As you can see, we just got a little bit of a spread laid out here. We're going to try out this battery grinder. Just to give you a rundown, and we're going to link everything below. So if you guys are looking for something in particular, but we sell it all online right now. We sell all their abrasives online, and all the kits that they come with. So from your different size 6-inch grinders, 4.5-inch grinders, 9-inch grinders, that sort of thing. Personally, at home I have a 6-inch Metabo, and thing's awesome. They rock. It's corded, it's not cordless. And I have a 4.5-inch also Metabo grinder. Both are awesome pieces of equipment. They hold up, they're reliable, and you just can't stop them. So very nice things. Let's give this grinder a shot and try it out. Alright, so we got here the 6-inch grinder, battery operated. So a cordless version. It's a WPB 18 LTX. We're going to link this below, but it's a brushless motor on it. It's got a rotatable battery pocket, so you can change it wherever you're at. If you're in a tight spot, you need to change that. It's got a handle, comes with a handle, guard. We got a flat disc on there, and it's also got the guard. You just pull up and you can change that wherever you want. So it's pretty easy to change. Not like the older ones. It's got a 2-second brake on it, so if I pull that off, 2 seconds, it'll stop. And it's got the dead man paddle switch, so if I let off or I fall down or something, it'll automatically stop. So it's got the little safety, you gotta push down. It's got this screen guard here for the motor, so it keeps out all your magnetic, so all the little steel particles and that sort of thing. The 18-volt battery at full blast, 20 minutes of runtime. That comes with 2 batteries in the kit and a charger. So let's give this thing a try here. That's really nice. Actually, that thing made pretty light work of that big weld. I wasn't giving it too much force, but it sure hogged a lot of it off there. So that's one of their flat discs too. Pretty awesome unit. It's actually pretty light. It's not too heavy with that battery on the back. I like it. If you're into that cordless stuff, man, these things are really nice. So their batteries are interchangeable. So if you already have some of their tools, like their drill or their saw, the battery will go fit from the grinder to the saw to the drill, that sort of thing. So they're all interchangeable. We're going to link this kit below. Pretty sweet little unit. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. As always, leave your comments below. We'll be sure to answer them. Thank you.